Captain America is the righteous Avenger. He believes in what he believes in with all his heart, always tries to do the right thing and doesn't shy away from admitting when he's on the wrong. We can learn a lot from Captain America, and with that, let's start today's video. The most remarkable thing about the Captain America is that he has very strong conviction, and that is irrespective of him having the strength to back it up. A strong conviction is a given in life if you want to succeed in life or you want to be a successful leader. Without conviction, a leader cannot inspire his or her followers, and if you can't inspire your followers as a leader, you're basically not an effective leader and not a successful leader. An individual without conviction can hold a position of power, but they will never be a chosen leader. But what is conviction? Conviction is your ability to do exactly what you say you will do. Individuals with strong conviction, they do exactly what they say. And Captain America is one of those. Now, having a strong conviction is not a new point as such, and it's really closely imbibed in our own culture as well in Hinduism. In Ramayana, there's actually a saying, Raghukul Reet Sada Chali Ai, Pran Jai Par Vachan N Jai, and that basically is literally priming you and talks about the importance of having conviction and staying true to one's word and always do what you believe in and what you say you will do. Go the extra mile for your friends. Well, this is one of my favorite things about Captain America, and he is one of those individuals that will actually go the extra mile to do whatever he can to save his friends and make sure that they are okay. I would personally love a friend like Captain America, and he's shown multiple times in his entire movie series that he really cares about his friends. Now, you need to understand that Captain America also has a strong sense of duty, right? So he will follow the orders given to him by a superior, and he will always make sure that he follows those orders. And the first time he breaks those orders is when to save his friend Bucky. And then throughout the series, that thing has always been there, that he will go the extra mile and step out of line to make sure and safeguard his friends. Now, I know we are not Captain America and we're not super strong or superhuman, but we can all learn this one trait, that we should always take care of our friends. I'm not saying go against the law, I'm not saying, take a bullet for them. I'm just saying let's make it a point to check up on them on every weekend or every other day and make sure that they're okay. If our friends are struggling through failures or different challenges of life, let's not abandon them. Make sure that we are there for them as they were there for us, and let's just make it a habit and spread kindness. They say everyone is fighting their own battles and everyone is fighting their own war. Well, if we can't participate in their battles, we can at least help them heal and patch up their wounds. Captain America always takes control of tough situations. He doesn't waver from making difficult decisions and calling tough shots. Now, making tough decisions and calling tough shots is a very essential attribute for every leader. Every leader should always aim to be optimistic, make difficult decisions, make sure that losses, if there are losses, are minimized and gains, if there are gains, are maximized. And that's the ethos, and understanding this core concept is very important for every leader. So how do we take control of tough situations? Well, number one thing that you need to understand is you need to familiarize yourself and mentally train yourself for being active in a situation like that. What usually happens is that whenever we are in a new situation and often a threatening situation, our brain shuts down. I've also talked about how our body language can influence our mental state, so I'll link that video up here if you want to use that, because you can use active body language to influence your mental state, which will help you in dealing with tough situations. But the point here is that you need to mentally prepare yourself to make sure that you are active in a tough situation like that. When you're active in a tough situation for the first time, you'll have some experience, and then that experience and building on that experience again and again is going to give you leverage. That's exactly what's going to help you be dynamic in tough situations and deal with tough situations like. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like and comment your thoughts in the section below. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and press that bell icon. This is Revit India signing off. We brought you this Avenger series. If you really like it, please share it with 3 or 4 of your friends. It's going to help us. I am Chaitanya. You can call me Chai, and you can also add me on Instagram if you'd like. My username is itish_chaitanya, and this is Revit India signing off, guys. We will see you in the next video. Until next time.